the parties wrote on separate property, there's no separate property to be divided by the court, and same for community. So there's no community property to be divided by the court. Then a week later, filed this property declaration with all kinds of assets and debts listed on it. So the court was confused. You said there's no assets and debts in the petition, but now here's this property declaration for separate and community that says there's all these assets and debts. And hey, by the way, you didn't say who's keeping them, who it's being assigned to. So I'm just going to go back. If you listen to anything, if you have an uncontested case where you guys are in agreement or a default with written agreement, do not attach the property declarations. It's just going to cause you a major headache. And almost 99% of the time when people call me to take over the case, they have filed these property declarations. And honestly, it takes me longer to correct all your errors than if you just called me from the beginning. It's literally more work for me to go through and review everything, fix everything, than if we just started from scratch. So heed that warning. If you're watching this and you're thinking of possibly using my service and you think, you know what, I'm just going to let me file and just see how it goes. That's your first mistake right there.